Renewing your City of Moreno Valley business license by mail. This video will take you step by step through the process of filling out your hard copy City of Moreno Valley business license renewal. Business license renewal applications are sent out annually by December for renewal by no later than January 31st of the following year. If your license renewal is not postmarked by January 31st of the new calendar year, penalties and interest can accrue. Okay, here we go. As we look across and down, you will see the following. Business license number. This is the number of the license you're renewing. PIN. This is your personal identification number. Do not give it to anyone. City staff will never ask for it, and we will never give it out over the phone. If you forget your PIN, we can email it to you if there is an email on file. Expiration date. This is the date your business license expires, which will be the last day of December of the year in which your license was last renewed or issued. The city gives a 31-day grace period for renewals, but all renewals must be submitted no later than January 31st. This includes online, mailed-in, or walked-in renewals. If your renewal is postmarked after January 31st, it's late and subject to penalties and interest. The business name, business location, mailing address, and other fields shown here should list your particular business information. If you need to make changes, you can do it online, or you can make the changes on your hard copy renewal form, and the business license staff will review and enter the changes for you. If you want business license staff to make your updates, then please cross out the incorrect information and clearly print the correction next to it. The city is not responsible for errors made due to inability to read updated information, so please make your corrections legible. Now, let's check the following for accuracy. Business name. This is the legal name of your business. Business phone. This is the phone number you want business calls to go to. Business location. This is where you are physically operating your business. Business fax. This is the fax number you want business faxes sent. Start date. This is the date your business started in Moreno Valley. Business category. Use the information found on our website to determine the type of business you have as it relates to how gross receipt fees are calculated. We will discuss the gross receipts fee calculation later in this video. Mailing address. This is where you want your business mail to go and where we will send your new business license. If your business is no longer active, you must write the date your business closed, sign this form, and return it to the City of Moreno Valley Business License section. This can also be done online. There is no cost to submit a renewal letting us know you've closed your business, although there could be a cost for past unpaid gross receipt taxes. However, if you fail to notify us, we will continue to send renewal notifications until we receive a formal response that you have closed your business. After 4 notifications are sent out, your license will be revoked. Any penalties or interest accrued for not notifying us of your business closure could affect you if you ever want to start a new business in Moreno Valley. Description of business. This is what your business does. Ownership. Are you a sole proprietor, or do you have a partnership, or is your business a corporation or limited liability company? Please make sure we know how your business is owned. Email address. This is where you want any business email sent. Number of employees. Please provide a count of your employees, indicating the number of full-time and part-time workers. The business owner is not an employee. Please also include your state license number if you have one. License type. List the type of state license you hold. Expiration date. This is the date your state license expires. Resale number. You will have a resale number if you sell or lease tangible items. This number is issued by the California Department of Tax and Fee Administration. All websites listed in this video are included as links on our business license page. Federal ID number. You can get this online from the Internal Revenue Service at www.irs.gov. State ID number. You can find this number at www.eed.ca.gov. The next section is for ownership information. Please review this information and make sure all the information is accurate. Think about whether you moved, changed your phone number, changed your name, got a new driver's license or social security number, or changed how your business is owned. Please correct any inaccurate information. Just cross out the wrong information and clearly write the correct information next to it. Attach copies of marriage certificates, divorce decrees, articles of incorporation, or any required documents. Below and to the right of the SB 205 box is Calculation of Gross Receipts Tax. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks. First, enter your gross receipts for the past calendar year. This is the total amount of money your business made. For example, if I'm renewing my business license for 2021, I will need my gross receipts earned during 2020. Next, multiply your gross receipts by the gross receipts tax rate, found just below on line 2. The gross receipts tax rate is based on your business type's category and should be pre-filled in for your convenience. Okay, now we perform the calculation. This total should then be entered on line 3, gross receipts tax due. If the amount is less than $100, it does not need to be entered or added to the Calculate Total of Fees and Tax Due section. If the number is $100 or more, then you enter this number and add it into the Calculate Total of Fees and Tax Due section. Here you add up all the amounts listed, which may include some or all of the following. Prior balance. If you owe a prior balance or are owed credits, the amount will be listed here. Required processing fee. This is the city's cost to process and mail out your business license. Gross receipts tax. As we detailed a few minutes ago, this amount is figured by multiplying your gross receipts for the past calendar by the gross receipts tax rate. Remember, only include this number if it is $100 or more. Number of business vehicles. A tag is needed for every vehicle or piece of large equipment, so the charge for vehicle tags should be the number of vehicles times the vehicle tag fee. Penalty and interest. If you do not submit your renewal by January 31st, you will receive notifications for renewal and penalties and interests will accrue. See the bottom left side of the renewal form for more information regarding penalties. State CASP fee. This is a $4 fee each business license holder must pay. Total amount due. This is the amount you will need to pay in order for the City of Moreno Valley business license staff to process, print, and mail your business license renewal. This number will be the combination of all amounts in boxes 4 through 9. Finally, be sure to sign and date your renewal notice before mailing it in. Renewals without signature will be returned to you, causing delays. With these instructions, you should be well on your way to preparing and submitting your business license renewal. Thank you for doing business in Moreno Valley.